Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explain Python sets and how set operations work. We will learn how sets store unique values and help perform fast comparisons. So why the sets are important? Like the sets are useful when we want to remove duplicate values or compare multiple data collections, and they are commonly used in data filtering logical operations. So first, we have created a set with multiple values. Like Python automatically removes the duplicate integer. So here we had 20 as the duplicate value. So Python automatically removes one of them. Then we have added a new element and remove an existing one from the set. Like we have removed the 20 and we have added the 50. And now we have performed common set operations such as union and reception. So Python sets provide an efficient way to work with unique data, and they help us to simplify comparisons and data processing tasks. So if you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.